Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I finally got something back. Got the Ford 300 that's going in Otis, the crane truck. And I went and stabbed the crank in here because I didn't want it just laying around. It's got new main and rod bearings, and so what the holdup was, couldn't find pistons. The original ones weren't good enough. So we got some 30 over 351 Windsor pistons. These fit the smaller pin 300s. Got new rings for it too. Gasket set. And I don't like my coolant going where it's not supposed to, so I upgraded just a little bit, and I got the head studs. You torque them down the same as you would the head bolts according to the specs. So there's plenty of engine building videos online. Nothing real crazy here. So I'm just gonna jump ahead and get this thing kind of put together. Might show you a few things here and there, but don't forget to put your plugs in. I haven't put any of them back in yet, besides frost plugs and whatnot, but I haven't put any of the threaded plugs in yet. Well, I got the engine in here. It's been a pretty uneventful build so far. Everything's just kind of going together the way it should. Even slid right on the transmission. So I got her all assembled up. I'm gonna go and prime the pump just to make sure we got oil coming out everywhere before button this thing up. Might as well use the hook to help me get it on all by myself here. I think it's time to get this thing out. It's been in here for like a year. It's all ready to go, except for it still has a power steering leak. It seemed to be coming out of everywhere. So I'll look at that a different day. we had a stowaway. I don't know, somehow he got snagged on the back of the truck and I didn't see it. But it's outside under its own power. I didn't replace the clutch in here because I figured I'd never wear it out. It is a little bit not smooth. That is going to come in handy. Who needs a gantry crane when you got a mobile crane? Sweet. Thanks for watching, everyone. Join me next time. Take care and God bless. You want to run them? Hey, what are you doing?